So today we're going to show you the basics of how to import footage and assets into your project in DaVinci Resolve. So basically when you open the program, you're going to be presented with this screen. We're just going to click Untitled Project. Once we're in here, you're going to want to go straight down to the bottom, and you can see we have a row of icons. We just want to select the one that's called Media. It's the one right on the left hand side. If you hover over it, it will say the name. Once you're in this section, you just want to use this left hand top side to navigate where your footage is and to put it into the video. So here we have our video. This is just the demo stuff. And here we have two elements that we want to put in our video. All we're going to do is highlight them both, and then we're just going to simply drag them down into this section here. At the moment it says no clips in the media pool. We're just going to click change on that. It's just something not related really to this. But now we have our clips. So we go over to our edit tab. Now you can see in our media pool, you might have to click it on, but it's just there in the top left hand corner. And you can see there's an image file that we have here, and here's our video file. We simply just drag them onto the timeline to get started with our video editing project. And that's how you import media into DaVinci Resolve. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.